Welcome to our channel. If you want to back up your WhatsApp messages, photos, and videos to Google Drive for safekeeping, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable automatic cloud backups on Android. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android phone and tap the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. Step 2. Tap on Chats in the Settings menu to access chat-related options and preferences for your WhatsApp conversations. Step 3. Select Chat Backup to view your current backup settings and configure Google Drive backup options for your WhatsApp data. Step 4. Tap Backup to Google Drive and choose how often you want WhatsApp to create automatic backups. Options include daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you manually tap Backup. Step 5. Select the Google account you want to use for storing WhatsApp backups. If you haven't added a Google account to your phone yet, tap Add Account to sign in. Step 6. Choose your backup network preferences. You can select only when using Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data, or choose Wi-Fi or cellular if you want flexibility in backup timing. Step 7. Decide whether to include videos in your backup. Videos take up significant storage space, so if you have limited Google Drive storage, you might want to uncheck Include Videos. Step 8. Tap Backup to create an immediate backup to Google Drive. The first backup may take several minutes depending on the size of your chat history and number of media files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.